Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Sorkar Jilla Lingba Katanan Disaster Management kala kentup lang ka Jingjia Shakti Lieh Daniel Lightning Strike kum ka Jinglynshop haki bor Mariang. Bag ba shakta na kum gini ka Jingjia kinyo ka Jingyarap kat kum ki kendon ay Jingyarap shakilanon. Ya kanila ito do menteri bapet ya kani katanan uba kermen shalla habakran shikilat patay kubor hagas ngi thok dieng hadin ka Jingyalang ban pet bnia halor ka Jingjia Jinglynshop ki bor Mariang hakani ka Jilla Nanduk bala beteng ka jinghap slap ho benai Lieh barok si benai. Uba kerman ulai thu baka Sorkar kala shim kilat kilinti ling bagi board district ha kaleng ka Jilla ban pinpoi kilat Jingiram shigi ba shakta. Ulai thu baka Sorkar Jilla ka yok pisa ban mangi ki district baper ban pendan kam ha baja ka Jinglynshop ki board Mariang la ka de na ka Jingslei jingtwa ban jingsha penjular ki yin kisam pat ki ki jingdon jingem Bat habaja ka jingmen saw brio bat do ikimen sim brio. Ulang baka jila kalayo ay kamang pisaling baka 15 Finance Commission kabalamang lupa na bentasan sinam kata na do arajar atwe hado arajar atu hado arajar atusan hado arajar atun rio kilakan top ya ka State Disaster Response Fund bat State Disaster Mitigation Fund. Ulay tu bakat kum ka jingmang pisa na bentasan sinam ling baka 15 Finance Commission lamang laispa pon sawnot klur tingka ke SDRF bat trapway klur tingka lingba ke SDMF ha ka ba ka Sorkar Jilla ka habbe shipau na ka shispa kat ba ka Sorkar Pedeng ka be khandai pau na ka shispa house nam arajar arpway do lamang sanhupra pon sawnot klur tingka na ka benta SDRF bat khatsan klur tingka na ka benta SDMF house nam arajar do arajar arpulai lamang riu pau pon pranot klur tingka na ka SDRF bat khatsan pon arnot klur tingka na ka benta SDMF haus nam arajar apulai hadu arajar apusaw lamang riu pusaw pon pranot klur tingka na ka SDRF bat khan riu pon arnot klur tingka na ka SDMF nakalang ka Executive Director ka State Disaster Management Authority ka kong Matsiu Dorwar Nongbri klaitho bikidon shipon ki Jingjia Jinglynshop ki bor Mariang Nanduk ka jingtwa, jingjur lier, nalor ka jingslay bajur uslam, bat ki Jingjia batiet Lieh hagba ki don armut ki brio na maudan, bat mau kan Ribhoy district, ki balaklan nalor, ki jingri. Kalong bakat kum ka jing start menta, nang shim kilat kilinti ban pentre kami ki kor ki bor, habay rib ka jing ay jing maham lupa shwa banja kum kini ki Jingjia, la ka de ka jing tiet Lieh ni perthan, nalor ka jing la ru bantep lupa katu kat ni por, haswa banja ka jing tiet Lieh, Kanang man pelib ya ka boarding electric banyada ni jingma habaja batit Lieh ni perthan hagja ka badan transformer kabakta pa di ka jingsam boarding electric shikipat ba.
Departments, Revenue and Disaster Management Department. So we had a lot of discussion, and today we had the officers had highlighted me regarding the review which was taken recently by the Chief Minister. And we have a few points to share today. What is the steps to be taken by the departments and then what has been done. So I'll go first with this. First I would like to share with the people of our states that recently we have taken this decision, and then the notification has come out on the 22nd of July 2000. This was 2015. So this is most of the time we don't know that whether this lightning strike is included or not for the compensation when it comes to especially lightning strike. So now I would like to share to our friends that this has been declared as a local disaster. So as per the norms provided by the central government, and we follow almost the same. It's the same only. So we pay the compensation for those people who lost their life in lightning strike, and even for animal strike, lightning strike, even that also means covered in this local disaster. And one more thing I would like to share that we have discussed today that even the drowning and human-animal conflict also will be included soon. So for this, we will put a proposal from the department, and then we believe that it will come to the cabinet so for approval. So this will be we'll put it in our proposal. And and the compensation, I believe that most of the time we used to share and people came to know about it. So this thing I will not touch it because it's a huge list here. And regarding with those loss of life, a few days back, since the 1st of June to 28, we have a number of life loss. So for this, we have the data of 12 numbers. So as per this 12, so as of now, few of them they have received the compensation and some has not, because we have to comply as per the norms whether they are eligible or not. So here, because there are few who made an accident, because the accident has not included in the norm doesn't allow us. So based on this, I cannot say exactly whether we can do something for them, but if the norms allow, so we will find out how can we help and then we will pay the compensation. So and then many things has happened recently, and that's why the chief minister, he took the review meeting and then he took some decision also, which I would like to share with our friends today. Regarding with this the decision which made by the meeting last time with the chief minister, the departments and the chief minister, they have they discuss and then they go ahead to take up with this to explore using the drone for vulnerability assessment and tracking and assessment of flood from state GIS and UAV center. And second is that medium and long-term solution at Sunapardi tunnel by the NHI. And the third is that procurement of various equipment including boats, because we have a huge, every year we used to have this flood in our state. And then to coordinate with NESAC for early warning alert system for cyclones, landslide, flood and lightning. This was the decision taken by the chief minister and the departments on that meeting which they had recently. And I would like to share also, recently we have released a fund to the district level, all the deputy commissioner. In East Khasi Hills, we released 78,37,500, and then West Khasi Hills 63,37,500. Southwest Khasi Hills we released 58,37,500. Eastern West Khasi Hills 54,37,500. Ribhoi district 54,37,500. West Jainti Hills 54,37,500. East Jainti Hills 54,37,500. West Garo Hills 58,37,500. East Garo Hills 59,37,500. South Garo Hills 59,37,500. Southwest Garo Hills 58,37,500, and North Garo Hills 54,37,500. But most of the time in our state there are delay of payment for this compensation. That's why we take the steps and then give this money to the district level so that they can pay as per the norms. They can pay in advance to those people and then send the paperwork to the state for final verification. And then this is a thing, the steps has been taken. And then yes, I would like to share, because most of the time our friends would like to know that from where exactly this money came, and then what is exactly has been spent, and then how much money do we have. So I will just touch this 15 Finance Commission breakup. So the breakup for 2021-22, the money is 58 crore 40 lakhs, and then that is 90-10 share. So total is 58 crore 40 lakhs. 2022-23 is 60 crore 80 lakh. 23-24 64 crore 80 lakhs, and then 24-25 67 crore 20 lakh, and then 25-26 is 71 crore 20 lakh. This is the money has been given by the 15th Finance Commission, including the 10% of state share. And we have also here for State Disaster Mitigation Fund. This also from the 15 finance and the state share, then 10%. It's 10%, no? Yeah. So here we have 15 CR, 15 crore for 21-22, and then 22-23 we have 15 crore 20 lakh, 23-24 we have 16 crore 20 lakh, 24-25 we have 16 crore 80 lakh, and then 25-26 we have 17 crore 80 lakh. This is the money available with us, and then as per the norms we can spend this money for compensation or maybe any kind of relief within our state. And then one more I would like to touch regarding this trees, which was raised many times by our friends from the media and then the local people, mentioning that why don't you take any steps in chopping these trees, which is might cause a disaster or might cause any calamities within our state, especially in Shillong. So we discussed today with our officers, so we will take steps that how to go about it, especially with the forest department or maybe other department when it comes to drainage, and then any kind of insecurity might within our state, within our state itself. So for this we will try to talk to the line department and then take steps ahead and then discuss what is the best we can do.
Data actually from 1st to 28th of June, and we do give updates of the cumulative reports on disasters and damages. Members of the press who would like to have it can always contact me and we can send it across to you, because we update this information morning and evening, twice a day from the State Disaster Management Authority. As of today, then as of from 1st to 28th of June, we have 199 villages affected, 13,682 population affected. We still have 2 missing persons which are yet to be found, injured 7, and number of animal deaths 27. Number of houses damaged, fully 138, partially 182, severely 22, under assessment 31, total of 373. Number of infrastructure damaged 30. Now this is as per the FIR that are received from the districts. We will also obviously be receiving much more detailed reports from the districts in the days to come. So this is the latest report as of now.
In fact, in the briefing
That I mentioned, 2 people from Maudon village and Mokhan village had expired due to thunderstrike. One Skylight Tungon and Walambok Rapsang. And we've seen that not only this, even cattle also have been struck by lightning.
so the number total, how much it has come then?
For thunderstrike it's 2 lost,
Yeah.
2 lives lost, and for cattle I think just mentioned to you as well. We've been trying to find a way of putting this as part of the early warning system. Honorable Minister has also mentioned that in the review meeting held with Honorable Chief Minister, we will be taking up NISAC and other agencies to find a way of finding an early warning system even for thunder and lightning.
Is it GIS mapping?
Matters, but we are still in touch with the different agencies, and to find ways and means, because for different calamities is different way of putting in an early warning system. Floods will be different, landslides different, lightning will be different. We'll give you the details as well.
In our state, we have seen for now.
We definitely using drone for assessment on floods. That is very helpful. You are right, it's being done in many other states too, and we do have our own GIS and UAV center in the state right now. So we will initially be using that technology from the department itself. We are still in touch with the different agencies. There are different agencies in the country and in the world which are trying to give us the best possible, as you can see, service in respect of lightning early warning. But we are yet to come down or focus on any one of them. We would like to have the best one possible, and definitely once we can have, because see the time gap has to be very, very short. Lightning strikes immediately, so if we can get an early warning system of, let's say, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, it might be of use. If we get a lightning early warning system of 1 hour, 5 minutes and 10 minutes, it will be of no use to us. So accordingly, that will take some time, but we are on the job.
All this
Meeting with with them next week, and we're also looking at having a meeting with the deputy commissioners, because the deputy commissioners will be identifying the various areas in their respective districts wherein landslide prone areas will be identified. We're still in the process. I mean, as I said, we are in touch with the deputy commissioner. The deputy commissioner are doing their job. The respective line departments are also doing their job. So we're still in the process of finding out what exactly are these vulnerable areas. You see, you can see from last year, let's say 17th of June last year, we had a very big landslide in South Garo Hills. We were on the lookout for that as one vulnerable area. It has been kept as one. But this year, nothing has happened. So it's a very dynamic process. So we have to be very careful about identifying these areas. And as and when we have finished our discussions with the deputy commissioners and definitely with Geological Survey of India, we'll let you know.